You've just received your CityPost railing kit. Let's quickly walk through what's included. First, we have your post. These boxes will clearly identify post type, part number, and color. We recommend taking the post out of the box but leaving it in its plastic until you're ready to install. Next, we have your top rail. And just like the post, we're going to take it out of the box but leave it in its plastic until you're ready to install. This is your hardware box. Each one's going to be slightly unique in its contents, but we'll go over what's included in a standard kit. First, we got your cable. CityPost always sends about 10% extra, just in case you make a bad cut or two. Up next, we've got CityPost's patented piece, our top rail bracket. Its unique design allows it to sit flat for horizontal runs or rotate to match the angle of your staircase. Now we have fasteners. Lag bolts to secure your post to the deck, top rail screws to secure the bracket to the top rail, bracket screws to secure the post to the bracket. Lastly, we've got sleeve screws for attaching sleeves to the top rail. Moving on, we've got your end fitting. We're going to send extra of these just like the cable in case you make some bad crimps. This is a beveled washer and will also be included in a separate bag if you have stairs in your project. When connecting two top rail pieces, CityPost provides what we call sleeves. We make these in 90, 45, 22.5, 11.25 degree turns. Then we have a straight sleeve to connect the top rails on longer runs, and stair sleeves for upper, lower, and 90-degree turns. Wrapping up, we've got your paperwork. You should have two booklets included with your kit. First will be bill of materials. This will be everything included in your kit. The other will be our install guide. Make sure to take some time to familiarize yourself with this paperwork before you get started.